Yo, what's up guys? We're back with another video today. Well, this is the second video, but we will be playing Animal Company with Faz. I just did a video with him playing Big Scary, but I showed y'all on how to get the pet technically. But anyway, let's get right into this. Yeah, where the heck are you at? I hear you. Oh, hi! Bro, we need a light. What? Guys, don't listen to him. Do you want a backpack? Oh. Me. Well, I still got mine. Guys, PvP is disabled, so we won't be able to fight each other. You got the better pickaxe. Mason game, well, what should his code name be? No. You have the light. I don't, so if we get lost. Whoa! When did they? No. Do these ones freaking give you weapons and swords? What? I just got a soda can. What else am I getting? I got a golden monkey statue. Mine. Mine. The statue's mine. I also got a pogo. Get in there, you stupid thing. Should I grab the soda can? You're not a near, buddy. Bro, we got a freaking Hulk glove. We got a shield, a baseball bat. Oh, they spawned back? What? How rare is that? Bro, we caught it on video too. No, we literally got a bolt. Should we go get the purple? Shall we? I mean, it's in red light, green light territory. Oh. What? I'm not getting any. Oh, just got one. What? How do you? Bro, you are not that Sigma boy. Oh, hi. Yeah. Well, that's Mimic. So they just changed it up a bit? Are we sure we want to go this way? Does it kill Bud? Does it blind and kill Mister? Really? So you're gonna sacrifice me for that? So, okay. Because you don't want me there. Hi, Mister. Ooh. Hi. Did you get more research? I feel like they made that deeper. Ooh. Okay. Ooh. Can I have a grapple? You know I'm horrible at this. No! Goodbye, world. What, the pickaxe? I had a golden monkey in there too. Bro, I should have set up a dang teleport grenade or something. Well, I guess while I'm here, I could go research some stuff. In the tech tree. Let's see, what can I go get? Should I go get the big flashlight? Did you hear me? Why? Okay, well then I guess I should go then. Oh, shucks. Bro, I want to be playing some music right now. But I don't want to be copyrighted. Gosh. I can blind someone with it. Gonna get. Ding a ding a ding a GY77. Bro, if I knew I wasn't gonna make it, then alright. Wait, how about you just leave? Because I am not showing my environment on camera. Gonna get. Ding 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 ding. Bro, I don't know what I'm singing, y'all, but bro, I'm flashbanging my own self. I'm just blinding myself. I bet the camera loves it. Guys, don't offend. Don't offend. I'm just making a joke. I know y'all don't like it. Being flashbanged like that, I could just... Guys, I've got a few codes I could go ahead and show y'all. I think they're still made for me. Hold up, I can just show, but the 4 is literally a 4. So the first code is made for me. So right there, I already redeemed it, of course. Trying to remember the others. Hold up, guys. I can show y'all the others, actually. I know one somewhere where I can't exactly get it. But I'm gonna show y'all this one I know about. Alright guys, so we're gonna head over here to the big cube because I know there's a code over here. But you're gonna have to actually get inside of the cube in order to do this. But thank y'all so much for 5 subs. I mean, I really appreciate it. Even though my friend right here was my 5th one. Oh, hush. You said, good boy. I'm like, nah. I'm not tolerating that from a fan. Gonna get. Alright guys, but once you get here, you're gonna wanna drop down. Oh shoot, you kinda want, you don't wanna land on this, but you wanna land, or well, you don't wanna be touched by the red. So you don't wanna be touched by the frog. That sounds weird, but, oh. Deliver value. I thought I could remember that one, but then I forgot it. But I'm gonna give y'all a sec to redeem that. Okay. What? Yeah. Gonna get. Would you want to know where this one code is? Not like that, but it's a tech lab. It's a tech tree. Sure, give me a sec. Oh, did someone join? All right. He's on! He's on! M. Scott. Hi. You want me to show you where this one tech tree point is? Yeah. Oh shit. Got it. I got the uranium. Dang, what did you all grab? Dang, 2,000? Well, remember, there were also huge chunks. Alright, come with me. Did you already get them made for me? The code that I said? Yeah, the 4 is a 4. Oh, you already accepted it? Alright, follow me. We gotta go to the tech tree. No, you never told me. Nuh-uh. I had to figure that one out by myself. What is it? Let's go! GLASSES. Where is it? Oh, AC glasses. Oh. Bro, we got that drip. Alright, I'm gonna go show you this other code named deliver value. Or do you just want to do it right now? Oh. Well, then you have the one that's in the monkey hole. That's made for me, if I'm right. I say I'm ending the video right here. Alright guys, it was fun playing with my friend, but I'm gonna talk to y'all later on another video, of course. It's your boy, Anchor VR.